Determining the list price of a home is a delicate balance that involves taking into account a variety of factors. The perfect balance can be achieved by considering the following: comparable sales. Researching recent sales of similar homes in the area, comparable sales, can provide a good starting point for determining the list price. This will give you an idea of what similar homes in the area are selling for and can help set you a realistic price for your own home. Home condition. The condition of your home is also an important factor to consider when determining the list price. A well maintained, move in ready home will generally command a higher price than a home that needs repairs or updates. Now, market conditions. The real estate market is constantly changing, so it's important to take into account current market conditions when pricing your home. If it's a buyer's market, you may need to price your home more competitively than if it is in a seller's market. Now, your motivation. Your motivation for selling your home is also important to consider if you need to sell your home quickly. You may need to price it more competitively than if you have more time to wait for the right buyer. Professional opinion here, finally, it's a good idea to consult with a real estate agent who will be able to provide you with the valuable insights and guidance when it comes to determining the perfect list price for your home. By taking all these factors into consideration, a home seller will be able to find the perfect balance and determine a list price that is competitive, accurate, and attractive to buyers.